Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Ada for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to see how we can book partial profits, or we can say that how we can set target such as Target1, Target2, if required Target3 by maintaining 1:3 risk reward. Okay, so for that reason we required a module that will be import math. Okay, and secondary we need the lot size, whichever the script we are looking for. Okay, and we need to set the quantity for how much we want to book the profits. Okay, so as of right now I just go with the 45 and I want to book partial profits at first 50% and then secondary whatever it remains. Okay, so how we can set this stuff? We'll say Target1 and we have a formula. So first of all we'll check with our lot size. So what we have, the quantity which is need to be divided by the profit bookings. So if I want to go with the 2 targets, I just give it the 2. Okay, and the same thing should be get divided by our the lot size. Okay, so first of all we'll see these results, what we are getting here. So as you can see we got some values which is 1.5. okay, if I try to get this value and multiply it with the lot size, the actual quantity will differ and we won't get the perfect quantity and we won't be able to place the orders because it will definitely gonna give you the errors. So what we have to do, we have to utilize this formula which is module math.cl. okay, and what it will do, it will give us as the required stuff which is value as a 2. So it will try to forward those things as an upper limit. So it will try to round up the values. If it is 1.5 means it will take as a 2. If the lot size which is divided by is multiplied and divided by, we will get the value for the Target1 which is 30 rupees. Now if I say 30 rupees means for the Target2 only we got is 15 rupees. Okay, so same thing which we need to utilize, but if I say as a math.cl, it will definitely gonna give the 30. So if I book the profit as a 30, only remains is 15. If I try to say as a 30 rupees, it will definitely gonna give us error. So in that case what we can say as a floor. So in this case what happens, whatever it remains, it gives us the value. So we set them as a target 2. Okay, so this is how I got the values. If I Target1 plus Target2 is our quantity. Okay, so now we will try to do same with our Target3 as well. Okay, so what we can say, we will try to keep it this as a seal. Okay, and for Target3 we need to keep the same formula. We can achieve this stuff with the help of same formula. Okay, so what we can say that at the end we have to say floor. Okay, and the set target is, as we got 3 targets, so we can say as a 3, or otherwise how many targets we want to achieve, that is we can say as a TGT equals 3. So in this we can set the variable and we can achieve the required stuff. So what are the things will be there? We'll try to check. So I believe the 45 quantity which we have already will get divided. So let's see this stuff. So this should be target 3. So what happens? It first will give us 15, then 15, then 15. So we got exactly what we are looking for. Okay. So that is how we can achieve. Okay. So this is how we can set the target, and we can keep it any target whichever we want. Okay. So at least we know that it should be multiple of 15. So now if I keep as a 90 rupees, so whatever targets will be as a 30 rupees. Okay, so suppose if we got 60 and if we set as a 75 rupees or something, it should be like in this way, 30 rupees, then 15 rupees. Okay, so do check this stuff, and if you are writing any kind of a algo and function, do try this stuff. It will definitely gonna work and it will do the wonder. So that is how you can set the targets and you can book the partial profits. Okay, do try. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.